Look at this galaxy. Do you notice something strange? You can't see it, but what if I told you around 80% of the mass of this entire galaxy is completely invisible? All the beautiful light you can see, the stars and gas shining, that is just 20% of the galaxy's mass. So where's the rest? This is the mystery of dark matter. You see, scientists are sure that a huge percentage of our universe is made up of this invisible matter, and yet we can still feel its gravitational effect. Back in 1933, there was an astronomer named Fritz Zwicky who was observing a huge cluster of galaxies. He noticed that a number of these galaxies in the cluster were orbiting much faster than they should have been given the mass. And so he suggested there might be an exotic form of invisible matter called dark matter inhabiting the cluster. And then in the 1970s, Vera Rubin and Ken Ford unveiled their own theory of dark matter. The idea comes from a few mysterious observations that just couldn't be explained by the theories of the time. They noticed something weird. Stars that were orbiting galaxies far out at the edge were orbiting at pretty much the exact same speed as those near the center. This goes completely against Newtonian mechanics, which says the stars further out should be orbiting slower, as more stars and gas near the core should provide the additional gravitational force required to speed them up. So how can this be? Well, Rubin and Ford went on to argue that every single galaxy is completely engulfed in this halo of dark matter. This provides the additional mass required to explain this strange observation. Now, they believe that dark matter accounts for around 85% of all of the matter within any galaxy. That is a ridiculous amount of matter that we know very little about. And so there are two main ideas that are being explored right now. Either dark matter is some kind of particle that doesn't interact with light and can only be detected through its gravitational effect. Or maybe our theory of gravity is wrong, and we need a revised theory. Now, I would be willing to bet that a dark matter particle is the real explanation, and we will have made some serious progress at a detection within the next 20 years or so. But for now, it remains a mystery. Okay, I'd just like to take a quick moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, Opera Browser. Now, this is not just any browser.